birthday, Mama. 90 ka na, Ma. More blessing, Ma, sa buhay mo. Good health, long life, and stay strong. Lagi kang mag-iingat, Mama. And God bless always, Ma. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Lola Angus! We hope and pray for your good health and may you enjoy your birthday with our family. God bless
God
you!
bless you. Happy birthday.
birthday! Hello everyone! Hello Lola Angus! Happy birthday! 90th birthday na ni Lola. I'm so happy na naabot natin ang edad na ito. I love you Lola. Maraming salamat for everything. And see you soon. We miss you so much. Mwah.
Hello Lola, how are you? Happy birthday. Take care for yourself. And I miss you also so much. See you soon. Take care for yourself.
Enjoy your birthday! Enjoy everyone! God bless! Mwah.
Happy birthday, Lola A.
We miss you. Have a great happy birthday.
Say happy birthday, Ading.
Happy birthday.
Can you say it louder?
Happy birthday.
And give kisses. Mwah. Happy birthday, Lola. See you guys soon. Bye.
Happy 90th birthday sa'yo. Sana lagi kang malakas, lagi kang maligaya, at marami ka pang birthday na isi-celebrate with us. Enjoy! Happy birthday!
Hello Lola A, happy birthday. Ako to si Kim. I just wanted to greet you a happy blessed 90th birthday. Sobrang saya po dahil we are given this opportunity to celebrate you on your 90th birthday. Salamat po sa lahat ng pagmamahal, pag-aalaga ninyo sa amin simula nung bata kami hanggang ngayon. Sobrang blessed po kami at napaka-special po ng inyong buhay sa amin. I only pray na bigyan po kayo ng mahabang buhay, malusog na pangangatawan at maraming blessing araw-araw. Mahal ko po kayo and I really miss you, Lola. I hope to see you soon and enjoy. Kain kayong marami and bye! Happy birthday! Mwah!